Everyone, my name is LiezelO. In this video, I will demonstrate the proper folding of business letters. So we have a three set: the letterhead form, black form, and the letter that fits in the quarter size envelope. So before that, I want you to prepare a envelope. This size is 9.5 by 4.125 inch or number 10, and also your letter. So let's start in the letterhead form. So first, set the letter facing up or facing you. And second, fold the bottom third up. Fold the bottom third up like this. And also this, the top third, fold it down. So we're going to fold this one. And don't forget to leave a 1 inch space here. And lastly, put in your envelope. But before you're gonna do that, make sure the top folded part first will going to put inside first in your envelope. So this is your top folded part. So this one to be first in your envelope like that. So that's it. So we're gonna proceed to the next one in a block form folding. So divide your letter into 3 sections like this. Fold it over and wait. Fold it over and make sure it will beautifully creased. And fold it over and fold it again. Yes. So we have a lip line here, so that when you pull the letter inside the envelope, it's easy to get. So lastly, place on your envelope. Make sure when you get the letter inside of your envelope, the first thing will come out is the address of your letter. So it's your address. Pull it down like that and like this. And also lastly, folding a letter to fit in a quarter size envelope. So we're gonna do is fold your letter like this. Leave a 1 inch space on the top of your paper and crease. And fold the right and divide the letter into 3 again. So fold the right here and also the left. And don't forget also to leave a 1 inch again space, because it's really easy when you leave a 1 inch space here to open the letter like this. When you leave a 1 inch here, so your finger like that, it's open, and that's it. So lastly, place on your envelope. And also don't forget to place this first on your envelope, this one. So when you pull the letter, this lip line here will go first. So like that. That's it.